Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I'm happy to bring you a detailed, in-depth look at this 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT-8. And this is going to be a detailed and in-depth review of the SRT-8 Challenger. We'll start up, shut the engine, get an exhaust quick with the performance data, and show you many of the unique aspects of the interior as well as exterior. And so, without further ado, I'm going to start her up, let her run. The exterior color is known as rhodium silver metallic and features a leather stitched diamond black leather interior. It's got aluminum sport pedals. Now, along with this marquee access system, the Dodge Challenger SRT-8 does come standard with remote push-button ignition. So all you have to do is just put your foot on the brake and clutch, hit the button to go. Powerful startup. Beautiful sound from that 6.1 liter HEMI V8. And as you can see, the Dodge Challenger SRT-8 does come standard with a 4-spoke leather wrap steering wheel. Very fluid, with leather stitching all over the wheel, side bolster and grip extensions, as well as your multifunction controls on the steering wheel. And as far as the transmission, you can also get two different kinds of transmission available, one being a 5-speed automatic transmission, or the 6-speed Tremac manual, or the 6-speed Tremac manual gearbox. Very clean short throw shifts. All the way over and up for reverse. Parking brake. And so I'm going to cut on the headlights. Does come with automatic lights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. Both windows are fully automatic. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? High intensity xenon projector headlamps, integrated fog lights below. Down here, you get 235 inch Alcoa forged aluminum alloy wheels with the Brembo brake calipers. It's got Pilot Sport all-season tires. Beautiful rear view mirror. Aluminum gas cap. Rear decklet spoiler. Cobra Corsa performance exhaust. This car sounds like a beast. Perfect for street racing. Gonna pop the hood. The Dodge Challenger SRT-8 came with a 6.1 liter HEMI V8. Cane and air intake. This naturally aspirated powerhouse, it has variable valve timing. It produces 425 horsepower at 6,200 RPM and 420 pound-feet of torque at 4,800 RPM. 0 to 60 time is in just 4 seconds. Has 16.2 cubic feet. Total curb weight is 4,132 pounds. Has 16 valve with double overhead cam. Has rear wheel drive as well as standard rear limited slip differential. Has standard 4-wheel independent suspension. Standard short and long arm front suspension, as well as standard front rear stabilizer bars, as well as multi-link rear suspension. Overall length is 197.7 inches long. Overall width is 75.7 inches wide, and a height of 57.1 inches tall. And as for fuel economy, you have a 19-gallon fuel tank running on premium unleaded gas. You can figure out an EPA mile city between 14 city, 22 highway. Such a beautiful, impressive engine. As you can see, your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, chrome door handles, power seat. It's got a red stripe on all the seats. It's a beautifully powerful car. And I'm gonna see how she sounds. Incredible. You gotta love the sound of that muscular sound. Fabulous. Gonna shut her up. Beautifully solid doors. As you can see, your different controls, temperature. You have traction control. You also have the Sirius hard disk drive, MP3, WMA, JPEG, AM, FM radio. You're good. Perfect. Preset stations.
98.5 KYGO. ¿Cómo?
below the stitch shift boot. 12-volt power outlet. AC controls. Your different controls. You get cruise control, deceleration. You get trip A and B. And your different options like performance features, system, personal settings, average miles per gallon, trip B, you get surround sound, performance features, and system, home settings, your dimmer switch, trunk button, rear wiper controls. It's got a big crack in the windshield. We'll get that fixed soon. Let's see what we got. Power mirrors. Tilt it down a little bit. You get the sunglass storage is broken. You get your light controls. And you get a power sunroof.
Looking for a girl like you. Could fall in a kiss or two. Baby, tell me what you wanna do. Cause I know somebody with a gassed up truck sitting right outside. It's ready to roll if you're ready to ride. Someone with the moonlit sky. Yeah.
There we go. Phew. Your lock button. You got your tilt steering wheel. Push it and then lock it in place. There we go. All right, let's see what else we got in this car. Your vent controls, your aluminum sport pedals, like you saw earlier. You get your beautiful white paste gauges. You get radio media. You can open or close this.
Just like our weather, warm sun.
Cardinal. Weird. He's a.
You get radio media. You get menu. You get display settings. Screensaver. Default view. Map view. You get hands-free Bluetooth telephone and voice commands. Help.
Available options are frequency, next station, previous station, radio menu, or main menu.
Cancel.
So unkind. And I'm counting on you.
Let's see what we got. See if that's everything we got. You get navigation. Let's see if it's everything we got. Let's see if it's everything we got. Yep, I think that's everything. Alrighty. Gonna shut her down. And gonna check out the back seat. You just pull up here. See if I can slide the seat forward. Pull here. Make this slide all the way forward. Let's just slide this all the way forward. Tilt it all the way forward. Slide it all the way forward. Now let's gain access to the back. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. Hopefully I won't drop my camera this time. Really tall back here. As you can see, I'm really tall. My head even touches right here. Wow. You get a beautiful fold-down armrest with some cup holders. It's absolutely beautiful. And there we go, squeezed out like it's no problem, like it's no biggie. Slide it all the way back. There we go. And go check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? There you go. Very large trunk. You get the professional brake pads, grade brake pads. Has the kicker sound system. And if you lift right here, you get your deflator and battery. And also under here, this is where your spare tire would be, but I don't think there is one. But whatever. Yeah, come on. Okay, there we go. Trunk latch. As you can see, beautifully wide doors. Beautifully solid doors, like I said. Glove box with your owner's manual in this pouch. Here's the owner's manual. You get the user guide. You get you get a user's guide, owner's rights over state lemon laws. Those are just that's all you got right there. And except it says Chrysler Challenger, but this is a Dodge, not a Chrysler. Should put the Dodge one on this. But whatever. Let's see what we got. It's a little crinkly. You get things to know before starting your vehicle, understanding the features of your vehicle, understanding the instrument panel, starting and operating, what to do in emergencies, maintaining your vehicle, maintenance schedules, and so on. Put this in. Gonna put this back in here. Woohoo, this is great. Okay. Now. Give me 1 second while I put it in here. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. I do. Okay. Give me a minute while I put this in. There we go. It's in there nice and tight. Alrighty. Such a beautiful running Dodge Challenger. You gotta love the sound of that 6.1 liter HEMI V8, and it sounds amazing. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the in-depth tour on this 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT-8. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more that came from. Take care, everybody.